Well, hello, welcome back to the channel. I'm back here at Blea Tarn in Lake District, and it's summer 2021. I'm hoping to get a shot tonight of this sunset that might not appear. I'm hoping to get it for my 2022 calendar. I've got some great shots for the calendar already, but I thought tonight it might just pop, and at the minute it doesn't look very promising at all. We might get pockets of blue sky and a nice golden sunset, but we'll see. Here goes. Yeah, what do I look like? Yeah, I've taken this to protect me from the mosquitoes because they're trying to bite me. So I've taken some photographs from the other side, some different shots, and now I'm going for the traditional one. Catch you later.